Hello creatives, want to change the color of an element in Adobe Express? Let me walk you through it. Here's how you can change the color of an element. Open Adobe Express and go to your project. Select the element, shape, icon, illustration or anything you want to change the color of. On the left hand toolbar, you will see an option to adjust the color of the selected element. Choose the color you want or enter a specific hex code for precision. You can also adjust the opacity or shade to get the exact look you want. For a cohesive design, try using colors that match your brand palette or the overall theme of your project. If the color change doesn't seem to apply, make sure the element you are working with is selected and check if there are any overlapping layers. Do you like to use bold or subtle colors in your designs? Drop your answers in the comments. If this tutorial helped, hit the like button, share it, subscribe and leave a comment. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.